Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 24th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for Bitcoin, more specifically BTC USD. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Now, this month was extremely bullish, extremely bullish for Bitcoin, as it has went up. Even though there's 1 week left, it's already went up 37.67%. Well, obviously Bitcoin's active right now, but that was the value at the time. Still very bullish. It's eyeing 100,000. I'm pretty sure it's an all-time high for Bitcoin. And its market cap is going to be huge. It's a huge market cap. Therefore, it's a very bullish month, big event for Bitcoin. Although, RSI is technically overbought. This isn't really saying much, as that tends to stay for a while. But that is objectively, it is a contrarian bearish signal. Now, MACD is definitely bullish. It was dipping for a bit during this correction that we saw. However, this month has reinvigorated the MACD, and the histogram is now back on a more strong positive track. Now, even more clearly from the weekly charts, we can see these last three candles where this one is pretty much a Maribozu. You could classify this as a three white soldiers candle, although it doesn't exactly match picture to picture, but you can see that it closes here. The open is practically the same. Huge bullish candle. Open, huge bullish candle. So this could easily be classified as a three white soldiers candle. Three white soldiers. And very bullish candle. But this typically means a lot of the uptrend is already over. Not always the case, but this is a 30% gain in 3 weeks clearly means that, a large part of the uptrend is already taken up. Similarly, RSI is, overbought here. MACD is very strong. Clearly, we can see bullish signals. Volume is backing this uptrend on higher volume every week. That's very encouraging, and therefore, extremely bullish month for Bitcoin in general. RSI is overbought here. It seems like it's dipping back down. MACD, similarly, the histogram, seems it's coming to a low, which is why the support and resistances that we will cover are set where they are. But no candlesticks here to talk about. Volume is very sporadic for Bitcoin. It seems that on Saturday and Sunday the volume is very light. However, weekdays are when most of the volume, which seems logical. But we can see that this week was on increasing volume. Obviously, the weekends low volume, but the bullish movement over the weekday was quite supported by volume, and therefore that is in the end a bullish signal. Last week we had another profitable trade. Feel free to look through these numbers and pause the video. This week we'll buy when it crosses 98,860 and we'll sell when it falls below 94,105.84 with a trailing stop loss so our target now is 2.5% and the trailing stop loss is 1.25%. So I should probably add that percent with target of 2.5% and trailing stop loss of 1.25%. Yeah. If neither are hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly and monthly trend are up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.